Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing, something that came in the mail today. But first, before we do, if you guys would be so kind and are so inclined, please hit that subscribe button down below and that bell notification icon next to it. It would help me out greatly. So today we're going to unbox this odd package from Amazon. Our unboxing knife is the EMP EDC Magna Cut Relative. So what do we have here, guys? Holtzman's. So I saw this on Amazon and figured what was the worst that could happen, right? I happened to see a knife over the weekend. It was not this knife, but it was a knife that one of my brothers from another mother was carrying in their Converse Chuck Taylor. Dopey was, and it was a little knife. It wasn't this knife, but this is Holtzman's Gorilla Survival, their little thank you, little free gift, some troll candy, a little Kydex sheath with the chain if I were going to next carry it, which I'm not. What I was wondering about this was what type of holage it would have in terms of being able to mount my ulti-clip. And it looks like I can remove this clip at will and mount an ulti-clip or some straps. So that's a good thing. So that is the sheath. And guys, this knife, if I'm not mistaken, was either $19.99 or 24 bucks. It's D2. And it is a little flat grind, very oily. Little EDC knife, kind of a cross between a scalpel, but still a good little EDC knife. Has a nice sharpening choil, is very sharp. Let's see how well it cuts. Let's see. I don't have much paper to choose from, guys, but it is very slicey. Super nice jimping, nice little handle. Let's see how the sheath works. Great retention in the sheath, and this was mounted in Dopey's Chuck Taylor. So he basically had this as a boot knife. It wasn't this knife. I think he had the Saviti. Saviti makes a small knife like this, and this is, again, just a knife I found on Amazon just to see if I liked it. Very inexpensive. It was either $19.99 or $24.99, and it is a Holtzman's fixed blade where you can search for small scalpel. It really only gives me a 3-finger grip at best. There is no choil. There's one grip, one area of jimping, and then you've got this little sharpening choil here, but nothing to keep your hand from going up on that blade. So I look at this as more of a box opener, more of a weed cutter, maybe more of a just EDC letter opener, just something that if you wanted to carry as a secondary carry to make those short cuts. The sheath is real nice, a nice taco sheath, again, that I'll be able to mount my clip on if I don't use this clip, but this clip looks like it will mount fine in my left pocket, which it does, which is how I carry my small fixed blades. So that is the Holtzman's small little EDC fixed blade. And what we'll do, even though this is just an unboxing, let me put this chain up. I'll get you guys some quick measurements on it. So the whole package in the sheath comes in at 5 3/4. The knife itself is right at 5 inches. The blade is going to come in right at 2 inches, the handle at 2 3/4, and the cutting edge at 2 inches. So this is the little D2 full tang honk of steel, 27 grams, 0.95 ounces. And if I put it in a sheath to see what my carry weight would be, 1.9. So guys, that's a nice small little fixed blade that was well worth the 19 bucks or the 24 bucks that I paid for it. Has a nice little sheath, looks like a nice little cutter. Might even put it on today, carry it for the rest of the day and let you know what I think. But guys, I appreciate you stopping by to watch the unboxing. I appreciate you watching my content. I appreciate it if you're so inclined to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose to bait, not hate. I love you all. Peace.